Hello, friends. Just wanted to start going over Gently Sleep with you today. We're going to take a look at this song the same way we did with Hot Cross Buns. The first thing we're going to notice is this right here. It's a treble clef sign. If you'll remember from our last video and from last year when we learned about the note names, that means that we're going to be using every good boy does fine is the rhyme for the lines to figure out the note names on the lines. And there's a face in the space. F-A-C-E all the way up from the bottom on the spaces. And then we're going to move on and we're going to come over here to this thing right there, the 4-4. That means there's 4 beats in a measure and the quarter note gets 1 beat, just like in Hot Cross Buns. So I want you to say that rhyme with me together. Get ready. 4 beats in a measure, quarter note gets the beat. And so now we're going to write our counting in just like we did last time. So we come to our first note here and it's a quarter note above gent from gently. And so he only gets 1 beat, so we're going to put a 1 underneath him. Now this next note right here, he gets 1 beat as well, but he's on beat 2 because remember we get 4 of those beats right there. Yeah, so beat 2. But then this right here is a half note. And he is going to get 2 beats. So he's going to get beats 3 and beats 4, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those 2 little marks there so they don't confuse you. So our next note over my is going to be beat 1 because we have this bar line here that resets the numbers, right? And then we have this next note above sweet is going to be another quarter note that gets 1 beat. So that's beat 2. And then another half note for beats 3 and 4. And then we move on to gent for gently, and we got another beat 1, 2, 3, and 4. And another beat 1, 2, 3, and 4. And down to the next line, beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hope you're feeling this pattern now. Beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the counting. Now, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the note names, which then, we're going to take a look at the note names in a different video. In the next video, we're going to go through tizzling and how do we tizzle this sound. So stay tuned.